What's going on, y'all? Let me know how we sounding. Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounding. All right, we're sounding good. Cool, cool, cool. We got a couple setups we're looking at, y'all. Like I said yesterday, been having some technical difficulties. The signal's been super bad lately. I'm not exactly sure what's going on. It was kind of bad today. It was not kind of bad. It is slow today as well. But it's only however you want to word it, which is all kind of stuff. You even hear the music messing up. There we go. We should be straight now. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a little bit. As far as how today is looking, again, we had 2 bank holidays yesterday. Volume was pretty much dead yesterday. Only chart that kind of did a move. But as we can see, GJ literally canceled out and reversed what we did yesterday. So we're going to be looking for the same setup we was talking about yesterday as well as last night. Well, not last night, 2 nights ago during the Sunday chart analysis. If GJ can break and hold 192.20 as support, we can look for buys going back up to 193.35. That's what we're going to be looking for. We're also going to be watching and paying attention closely to GN and GA to see if the uptrend is going to come back into play on those 2 charts. And we're also keeping an eye on NAS and gold. The NAS setup we was talking about on the Sunday chart analysis is playing out. Just did the retest about an hour ago and missed it, so we're going to look to see if it's going to retest again, or if not, we're just going to look for an entry up this next setup right here. We got a few setups we're looking at right now. Is a new month today. I'm going to be in the Telegram to recap we ended August, so be on the lookout for that. Absolutely dominated August. We're going to be posting a recap of last month later on today, probably in the New York session, so be on the lookout for that. usually canceled the entire move it did yesterday. We do have bullish momentum still, though, so we're about to see if we can break and hold this level again. We got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. Those joining the stream have not entered anything yet. That's just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal free Telegram. Again, we're going to be updating and posting how we August later on today. So that's to the recap of how we did July. But we're going to go over briefly how we ended August, how we ended last week in the second. And yesterday we had 2 bank holidays. My signal's been literally trash. It was fine this weekend, but literally yesterday and today has been trash, which is why we started the stream late today as well. Literally had to like restart my Wi-Fi on my computer and get everything going. The 5-minute just popped up. Let's see how these charts are reacting. Nice NAS move to go. Started right before London session. GA and GN, depending on how they react to these next levels above them, we can see a possible reversal. I still take the bear. We see still trees level as a resistance, but we're not going to be going for sales unless price can break back below 11.15. Right, because right now it's reversal. We have to watch and see if we can continue to respect this low resistance. 12.35, or just going to try to break it. A similar situation with GA. Very carefully. We're also going to see GJ can break possible buy setup here. Again, if you hit the free signal free Telegram, you will see that we post a Sunday chart analysis. Make sure to watch that and check that out if you have not already. Like we talk about every single week, it doesn't just go over what I see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but it goes over what I see price doing the entire week. Now, as far as how we ended last week we went 4-0. Monday, we caught 0 pips. Tuesday, we caught 94 pips. Wednesday, 14. Thursday, we caught 25. And then Friday, we caught 40 pips. Before that, we went 2-0. The week prior to that, we went 4-0 again. The second week of August, we went 2-0. And the first week of August, we went 2-0. So we really only lost 2 trades last month. Going to be doing a recap of all that stuff, posting it later on today. At the beginning of New York session, so be on the lookout for that. We're absolutely dominated August. Let us see how the last month, quarter, September is going to be for us. Did not take any trades yesterday due to the 2 major bank holidays and only one chart yesterday really as far as that was GJ chart as well. GJ canceled out the move it did yesterday. We're still bullish though, so we're just watching to see if it can break the support level here, well, this level here at 192. Watching for right now. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. Any charts? Drop them in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. Make sure to like the live, y'all. If y'all have not already, make sure to subscribe. New 15 just popped up. What's going on, Hood Harvest? What broker do you recommend for a 1K balance? So let me ask you this before I answer that. I've been seeing you in here for the past couple of weeks. Are you brand new to trading? Like brand new? Like, are you like just now getting into it? Because you need to practice on a demo account first. But like I talk about a lot, and what I tell a lot of members and students, before you even start taking trades, especially on a live account, you need to first study and understand how to read the charts, because you can open up an account as much money as you want into the account and start taking trades, but if you don't know what you're doing yet, 9 times out of 10 you're just going to throw that money away. So, are you brand new to trading? Have you traded before? What's going on? What's going on, JD? I see you up in here. What's going on, my boy? Those just joining the stream, we have not entered anything yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free Telegram. Again, going to be posting a recap of how we ended August during York session, so be on the lookout for that. So what you see on your screen when it says last month, that's how we ended July. I'm going to be updating that tomorrow in tomorrow's stream and posting how we ended last month in the Telegram at the beginning of the York session. Also got a new video dropping for y'all at the New York session as well. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. Make sure to be subscribed and have your noti bell on so you know as soon as it's posted. And make sure to watch the chart analysis if you have not already. As far as news today, we have news at 10 a.m. for the USD pairs. At 2:30 earlier, we have Swiss franc news. And then when the markets reopen later on tonight, we have Australian news at 9:30. So keep those times in mind. Again, right now, there's a couple of charts we're looking at, but we're just waiting for volume to kick in. As we can see, GN's been taking a nap at the same level for the past 3 hours. GA, we're watching to see if it's going to hold this level as resistance or break above it, where we can see possible uptrend come into play. And then the NAS that it was looking for, it started to move literally an hour before we went live. So we're just either waiting for a retest or price to break the next level, right? Because again, we talked about from the single chart analysis, we can see the reverse from uptrend possibly come back into play, especially at the price reverse back up like it is right now. So if NAS can break and hold 19,670 as support, we can look for buys going back up to the highs of 1950. So that's what we're looking at watching for right now. We're also going to be looking for possible GJ buys. GJ can break back above the 192.15 as support. We can look for buys going back up to 193.45 and can break that level possibly up to 193. Again, how last week ended, how on Monday played out, it's showing that there's still some bullish momentum. Now, it does have a long ways to go, especially to cancel out this huge dump we did way back when, towards the end of July, beginning of August. So we're really just watching to see how these charts are going to play out. Again, like we've been talking about for the past couple of weeks, a lot of these charts are struggling to either continue the trends they're currently in or cause a trend change and reversal to come into play. I just dropped a video, I believe, last week going over reversals as well, so make sure to check that out if you have not already. All the playlists are up to date, so make sure to explore the playlist while you're up in here as well. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When looking at each charts, drop them in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. I don't know if y'all can hear me good, because my signal has been trash since yesterday. I don't know what was going on. That's why we didn't go live yesterday. It wasn't even like raining or storming in my area, so I'm not sure what was going on. But that's why we started late today as well, because I had to like restart my computer twice, all the tabs, my second Wi-Fi. Everything was just really trash right now. Almost had a hook up to my hotspot. That was going to be my last resort. We're here now. I traded about 6 years ago. Okay, so if you traded about 6 years ago, then yeah, you should, again, focus on the charts first. Now, I do have videos on my channel going over the brokers that I currently use now, as well as the platforms I use. And I also have on my list of videos, not this week, probably next week, we drop a new platform video as well. But you got to know how to read the charts first. You have to know, I'm telling y'all from experience. Life will be a lot real entrepreneurs. Focus on how to read the charts first. And come up with the trade plan. And then you make a demo account and practice on a demo account. Who was down hard with damn. That stuff, that COVID's still around? Damn, fam. I was wondering where he was at because I didn't see you in the lives for a minute too. I thought he was just hella busy. I'll be feeling better though. I hope you're feeling better though, man. Yeah, I didn't know that shit was still going around. If I follow your signals while I learn more, my account should still go. I mean, if you secure profits and close a trade while we're up, yeah, but that still doesn't take away what I said. You still gotta know how to understand and read the charts. So yes, obviously, if you take the trades I take, we obviously win more than we lose, and we didn't lose a single trade last week, or literally for like the past 2 going on 3 weeks. But you still have to know certain things like, okay, what are the signs that price can still potentially be going in that direction? What are the signs that price holding my confirmations? Should I secure profits? Should I keep holding? Should I close? And I do go over all that stuff with the members in advance, considering like last week's live. One of last week's live, we go kind of a lot of that stuff as well. And I do have members that, just say my symbol, haven't, what's the one? I lost my train of thought, my bad. I was reading something. Give me a second. I don't know about y'all, but I can't talk and type. I end up mixing what I'm talking with and typing it, and start typing when I'm talking. But yeah, I do have plenty of members that, haven't, done wall session or brand new to trading or things like that, do the signals, stuff like that. Because again, advanced based signal is not just signals, I do teach as well. Now, obviously, I don't teach candice, but we do have weekly lives where I break down how to go about taking out trades. I break down the trades we took, the trades we're in. I break down things I do to look at the charts to confirm my confirmations and tell them when to keep on holding, when to close, and things like that. We got a new 15 about to pop up in a second. Looks like volume starting to creep in on these charts as well. Looks like some action starting a bit. We're gonna bring this back down here. Again, I'm in no rush to enter in these setups because again, a lot of these charts, if y'all understand how market structure works, or we just look at the charts like we've been talking about. A lot of these charts, depending on what how they react to these next levels, is going to determine if the trend is going to continue or change. Right, with GU, we can see possible sells here if it continues to hold 3140 as resistance. We can see sales going down to 3090, which is what I really want to see it break and hold as resistance, and we can hold that as resistance. We can look for continued sales going to 3045. But as you can see, for the past 3 days, price has just been helping us level here. We're just waiting for volume to kick in to the decision. US15 just popped up. Make sure to like the live, y'all, and when I subscribe, everybody make sure to subscribe. Hope you had a little good weekend. Those that had yesterday off, hope y'all enjoyed y'all's 3 day. It's time to get back to business. So let's see just making these levels. So again, we know what our game plan is going to be. We know what sellers we're looking for. We know where we're going to be entering at, where we're going to be exiting at. So now's the easy part. I can sometimes be the hard part, which is just having patience and just waiting. You know what I'm saying? Just waiting right now. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see that scrolling at the bottom of your screen. Instagram playmaker_way, TikTok _playmaker_way _. Let's see what else we got up in here. What does your sleep schedule look like in terms of time of day or night? And what time zone are you in? Curious question because I noticed you're up during London and New York session. So all the times I post is EST time. Every time I post is EST time. And as far as my sleep schedule, it depends on what I got going on during the day. Because again, I don't just day trade. I do other things as well. I have a few other things I work on the side. The business I'm trying to work and put together. And I also run other social media pages. So I just be on social media during the time, posting a bunch of different pages, both on Instagram, TikTok, as well as YouTube, and different niches and spaces. Depends on how many meetings I got during the day, both for one-on-one sessions as well as for my other businesses. But I sleep usually in between, like towards the. It depends, but usually I'll sleep for like towards the end of New York session, and then wake up right before Tokyo session. Usually sleep. Depending on the day, maybe 3 to 5 hours a day, but it just depends on what I got to do. Just depends on what I got going on. But yes, London session, New York session, but also on the charts during the Tokyo session. Again, when I say I'm on the charts trade during these sessions, it's just like when we go live during London session. This session that we're live and take a setup. That's take a setup. So the New York session, Tokyo session. I am on the charts all these sessions, watch the charts, see how price is reacting, what price is doing, what price is not doing. Let me fix my mic because my mic is bugging out. Give me a second. Test. My mic sound like I got a fucking sock on it or some shit. I'm thinking right now. Give me a second. Maybe let me get closer to. I don't know why my mic sounds muffled. Let me try to fix it. Give me 1 second, y'all. Test. Let me know if we sound better. We sound a little bit better. I don't know why my mic sounds a little muffled right now. We're gonna keep pushing. Basically, what I was saying was, it depends on what I got going on during the day. You know, I usually sleep around 3 to 5 hours a day. It's usually like towards the end of New York session, and then during market close, and I usually wake up towards the beginning of Tokyo session. And then sometimes I might take a little hour, 2 hour nap before market session. I'll be up most of the day doing something. I'm always doing something. Sounds better? Okay, cool. Yeah, because muffled like that again, let me know y'all so I can adjust myself. Yeah, it's like DJ ain't gonna try to touch this level yet, which is fine. We just see this move just continue to the right. You still press this sleep. The better part about training doing your chart analysis is you have to obviously worry and consider what price is doing at the exact moment. You have to keep your eye on the price and understand the overall direction price is going and what you need is for that set chart. You know what I'm saying? Because again, we know what we're looking for, we know what type of trend we're in, etc., etc. But we don't know when price is going to be for that. You know what I mean? Which is why we're always going to charge a little bit early. We also going to charge not as soon as price is doing the move, or price is prepared, analyze, and then we already have the whole game. So we're just simply just waiting. It's also a Tuesday right after two major bank holidays as well. Like we always talk about, Mondays and Tuesdays are typically the slower days of the week. We just have to pick back up on Wednesday and pick the higher volume days. So let's see if there's some action before we have the USD. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we can charge, drop in the chat. And then we'll be posting and doing the recap of how we did in August during New York session. So be on the lookout for that. But make sure you hit that first link in the description. Join the free streamer for Telegram. Also, make sure to check out the Sunday chart analysis. Again, we went 4-0 last week. After we dominated the week beforehand, we went 2-0. The week before that, we went 4-0 again. And then the second week of August, went 2-1. And then going into the beginning of August, first week of August, went 2-1. So we literally only lost 2 trades last month. Absolutely dominated. And then if you go to, where is it? August 1st, that's where you see on your screen how we ended July, 16-5, gives a 76% win rate. And then I believe if you go to, what is it, July? All right, July. Yeah, July 2nd, you'll see how we ended last quarter. And of course, when this month, September is, we're going to do the recap of the quarter as well. But this is how we ended quarter 2. April was 16-4, catching 69,396 pips. May we went 15-4, catching 47,157 pips. And then June we went 13-3, catching 1,006 pips in the quarter, 44-11, giving us the 80% rate. So we absolutely been killing it all year, as well as all this quarter. Also, if you go to photos, over 1,000 photos of receipts for screenshots, positions, screenshots for nour, screenshots of signals, as well as results and testimonials. Make sure to check all this stuff out. It's over 2 years worth of receipts. You can see some screenshots again of some of these positions, some of these moves we call buys, sell setups. These screenshots of past profit challenges. Do this, make this major bread during the day, during week, all that good stuff. So make sure to explore the channel, check all this stuff out. But yeah, right now we're just waiting for volume to kick in so we can catch another big setup like these right here. Also, we're going to my Instagram highlights, reels. I believe it's called testimonials. You'll see a bunch of receipts on there as well. Yeah, right now we're just waiting for retest and price to break these next levels we're looking at. Again, we're waiting for volume to kick in as well. GJ did a nice move yesterday, and as you can see, price is canceling out the entire move it did yesterday. So we're simply just going to let price do his thing and watch how he reacts to these levels right here. Not sure we can really do about that. And we talk about earlier as well, G and G are also kind of a versus territory way to see if it's going to break these levels above them or it's going to continue to step past resistance and push back down where we can look for a better sell setup. Or if they break those levels and they start to hold those resistance over true support, then we can see the trend change. That's what we're just waiting on right now. So we'll go for this NAS setup, but it took off an hour before 11 session started, so we're just going to look for a test or for price to break it. So again, we're just chilling, patiently waiting. So check it out low. So G can break back the low 20 and hold as resistance. I'm not against going for a sell to 1030. I need 1030 to be broken, held as resistance for the downtrend to continue though. And again, we can see for like the past 3 hours, price has kind of just been chilling in place right here. Looks like we might see some action going into this hour. All right, y'all. Make sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis. Looks like we might see some action. All right, y'all. Again, we have at 10 o'clock USD news, and then later on tonight at 9:30, we got Australian news. Members doing a look out for a few hours. Again, y'all, during York session, I'm not only posting a new video on YouTube, but also going to be posting a recap of how we ended August last month. So we for both of those. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description or the free signal from Telegram. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on either Telegram or Instagram. I respond to all messages. And again, this is why we wait for confirmations. Again, we had the price could hold this level if we look for buys. Price never touched this level, let alone hold it. So now I'm about to see how it reacts to this level down here. Again, it's canceling out the move that it did yesterday. We're about to hold the support level or to reject that level of traffic. Paying attention to GA and GN as well as NAS. All right, y'all. We'll be back at the same time tomorrow. London session 3 a.m. EST.